The final walkthrough is step 8 of the escrow process, and it's typically done within 3 to 5 days prior to our official closing date. The main purpose of the final walkthrough is to make sure that any negotiated and agreed upon repairs have been done satisfactorily, that you're happy with what has been done in the home. If that doesn't apply, there's another purpose. It's truly to just make sure that the home is still in the same condition it was when you agreed to buy it, that there's no new holes been poked in the walls when people moved out of the property or anything like that. But in all practicality, it's really a chance for you to see this place one more time before it's yours. This can be a fun and exciting experience, and you're going to start to really envision yourself in the home and plan for where the furniture is going to go and what changes you're going to make before moving in. If you can't attend the final walkthrough, you can actually waive it entirely, or you can have someone else go in your place. But it's important to be there if you can. This is your last chance to make sure that the home is in great condition. If you come across any problems during this final walkthrough, just let me know and we'll document them, and I'll work with the sell side to resolve the issues before we close escrow. That's step 8, our final walkthrough.